To add to the tricolour inspired meal, I decided to make Shahi Paneer to represent saffron colour of the Indian national flag. Let's see how to make the most delicious, rich and creamy Shahi Paneer. Detailed ingredients are given in the description below. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add 3 pieces of clove or laung, 2 pieces of cardamom or Elaichi, 1 inch cinnamon or dalchini, 1 bay leaf or tej pata, one medium-sized onion that is roughly chopped. Saute for few seconds. Add 1 inch ginger, five cloves of garlic, mix this well. Add 2 green chilies, two large tomatoes chopped roughly, mix this well. About 10 cashew nuts or kaju, add half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, one teaspoon cumin or jeera seeds, mix well. Now to this add half cup water, once water comes to a boil, turn off the heat and let the mixture cool down. Now grind this mixture to a thick fine paste. Heat up the same pan with 1 tablespoon butter, add the ground gravy and give it a stir. Add half cup of cream, (200 grams paneer cut into cubes), add salt as per your taste. Cover this with a lid and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Finally, mix in 2 teaspoons of crushed dried fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi. And it's ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments and do subscribe for more such videos.